Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. Alright, so it's about 11 a.m. Eastern here in US. So I want to bring you the morning Bitcoin review. We have the US market just opened up about hour or so ago, and we have all the Asian and European market that are closing right now overseas. So I want to bring you this video update. I made a video yesterday regarding Bitcoin that we might see some resistance around that 9,200 and 9,000 up to 9,400 levels. There will be some resistance that we will have to overcome around those level. So if you want to take a look at my yesterday's video, go back to the channel list and you can review that video as well. So basically right now we are trading around 8,500 level in Bitcoin. It's coming right at the 11-day moving average and trying to get some support off that 11-day moving average. So the question is, can we hold on to that support, and can we see the, is it just a smaller retracement before we make it higher leg up, or like is this like, are we going to retest the previous supports? All right, so if we can dig in a little bit further, so this is the daily right now. So let's look at the 4-hour. So the number I have been talking about quite for quite a while is 8,300 that we need to look for. So going up, 8,300 was acting as a resistance, and coming down, 8,300 will act as a support. So this is, again, keep it simple. 8,300 will be our line in sand. Anything over that, I will remain bullish. Anything under, I have to reevaluate the chart, reevaluate the pattern and overall market scenarios. All right, so if you see this patterns, like, we had this pinch action, it broke out again. We tried to have this pinch action, but it did not have, it had a breakdown. So we need to, it's trying to, like, the volume, I want to make sure the volume doesn't add up on the downside, and this 8,300 level holds up. Those are the key level that we need to make sure that it holds for this weekend and into the next week. Every time it's around weekend time, we have some price action that is not very natural, in a way that it's very manipulated price action that I have been seeing over the weekends, just because there's a lower volume. That weekend trading is, like, done especially on the lower volume, and it's easy to manipulate the price action on when you have the lower volume. So whenever the weekend comes around, it's one of those things that you have to be a little bit skeptical about the price action, whatever it's trying to give you. All right, so let me zoom in a little bit and give you a better picture. All right, so for today, we need to clear that 9,000 resistance on the upside. If we can clear that 9,000 resistance, then we'll have a nice room to run toward 9,400 level. Now, 9,400 level is not going to be walk in park. I have said it again. I have said it previously in the yesterday's video as well, that 9,400 will provide some resistance, and we will need some nice strong volume to overcome that resistance. So, but for today, we need to kind of get clear of this. First of all, we need to stay over the 8,300 level for today, and second, we need to, like, make a push higher than this 9,000 level to to get out of the resistance zone. All right, something just came up on my computer, so I wasn't really sure about that. So that's pretty much it. Like, it's one of those market right now that you just have to wait and watch. I can see the inverse head and shoulder pattern forming right here on the 4-hour, and if we can get a uptick from here, we can definitely, I can see that inverse head and shoulder pattern, but we need that uptick fairly soon. So I will be keeping an eye on it, and and let you know if something changes on the bull side, or if anything, you know, technically changes on the bear side too. So just to recap, need to stay over 8,300 levels today, and we need to, like, you know, cross that 9,000 level, clear that 9,000, and make a, like, you know, case toward the 9,400 level for intermediate. Okay. The big number that we need to cross again is going to be 11,700. That's the major number that we need to cross with good confirmation. So we have to watch that number, and we want to make sure that, you know, we are getting through that level fairly soon. Okay, so that's all, guys. Let's cover Litecoin real quick too. I want to talk about Litecoin. So Litecoin is pretty much similar, you know, trading pattern. There is some major resistance in Litecoin around 176. We need to overcome that resistance. 180 will be some resistance as well. So Litecoin, I like Litecoin for 2018, remaining of 2018, and it's one of the good coins that I think you should have it in the portfolio, at least, you know, like certain percentage of the portfolio. So Litecoin, all in all, I think this is a good coin, but it does have some resistance that it needs to overcome on the upside. Similar kind of pattern, inverse head and shoulder. So we need to clear that 176, 180 mark in order to, like, you know, make that run toward 208 level. 208 is a significant level that we need to clear in Litecoin. So we'll find out soon. We need overall healthy market in order to, like, you know, in order to overcome this resistance. All right. Let's talk about Ethereum too. I haven't covered Ethereum in a while. So again, Ethereum is coming to the support level of around 157. 521, 157. I am still thinking Litecoin. Ethereum is coming to the support level around 522 right now, trading at 522. So that is a support. We need to see how well it holds, but that is a support level in Ethereum right now. Ethereum is a little bit weaker compared to Litecoin and Bitcoin right now, but that might be, if you're looking for a longer term position, it's not a bad idea to, like, start building a longer term position in Ethereum right now, since it's trading at discount and it does have some really long term value for Ethereum. Right now there is a lot of negative news related to ICOs, so obviously Ethereum did take a hit on that, but hopefully, you know, in long run, this is one of the coin that a lot of institutional traders and a lot of, like, you know, retail traders as well will be looking into to add the position in their portfolio. So that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the subscription button and hit those notification and those bell icons so you get this content right away. And yeah, if you think this is helping you with your trading, with your investing, you're learning something from these videos, then please make sure to give me a thumbs up. That really do mean a lot and keeps me motivated in doing this video content review for you every day. All right, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, it's pretty much, you know, right now we have to wait and see. It's kind of in that zone right now. We have to wait and see. It's 8,500. Bitcoin is trading at 8,500 right now. So wait and see. You know, don't. Instead of, if you want to make a position, then maybe have, like, in a stop loss at maybe 8,200. So you are 100 below that 8,300 mark, something like that, so you know that you have this protection. I would not go in any trade right now at this junction without stop losses. Probably around 3 to 4% stop losses. That's the thing that I would do right now. And if you're making the high, if you're, like, getting the reversal, then obviously you want to make sure you're moving your stop losses in the upper direction, on the direction of your trade. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I will talk to you soon.